Hey y'all, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am opening two bags from the LASNV company, LASNV. I don't know how to pronounce their name, but I absolutely love them. They were kind enough to reach out to me and send me some bags, and when I saw the prices of these bags, I was incredibly skeptical. But I'm really excited to show you because I was very wrong with how immaculate the quality of these bags are. So I was able to pick out two bags, and they are doing a fun little discount for us. So that is super exciting. I will have all of the details for that linked down below. But if you use this code right here, you will get $10 off your purchase. I don't think that there is any minimum for that. So that is so incredibly exciting. And that code goes through May 5th of this year. So definitely go ahead and use that if you're looking to buy any bags. With all of that being said, let's dive into the bags that they were kind enough to send me. So the first bag that I picked out is this one right here. I am obsessed with it. First of all, it is so cute with this dress. I am absolutely loving it. So as you can see, it's this beautiful kind of woven fabric. And then on the sides, it does have the faux leather that matches the handles. And then you'll notice there are some little hooks because you can use the strap to make this a crossbody or more of a handbag style. So this is what it looks like once the strap is on. It is adjustable so you can make this longer, but I actually love the length of this just as a little shoulder bag. I think this is so cute. And then it does have a zipper here so you can close the bag, which I really appreciate. And the zipper is so high quality. I'm honestly really impressed. Has a nice metal end piece here so that it's super, super sturdy. And then it just closes up like this. I think this is so incredibly cute. The inside does have a nice lining that you can wipe down, which I love. How much do you think this bag is? Did you say $10.81? I doubt it, but that's how much this costs. Isn't that incredible? Incredible. I'm so impressed. This is amazing. This is a beautiful bag for $10. I'm going to get so much use out of this. You'll probably see this in upcoming videos, so definitely keep your eye out. And then the next bag that just blew me away. I've never seen anything like this, and I was so incredibly excited when I saw this on their website, is this one. Look how cute this is. I accidentally ripped a little piece of thread off there. What? It's a little rainbow. It's so cute. So it has these cute little clouds. They're kind of just like loose little strings. It is sewn here at the end, so it does kind of have like more of a little bubble, and I think that's so cute. It's not very structured. I love that it's very like rustic and bohemian. I love this. I think this is so incredibly adorable. And then it is just a regular little woven tote. I love this. I think this is just so cute. I can't wait to use this. And if you didn't want to use this as a bag itself, this would be really cute for home decor. You could kind of pop this open. It can be kind of rounded, and you could put this in a kid's room with their little socks or anything like that to just really organize things. I think this is so adorable. Like I said, I've never seen anything like this, and I absolutely love it. So yet again, let's guess how much money this is. Ding, ding, ding. Did you say $12.40? Because that is how much this is. So both bags, under $25. I'm like absolutely blown away by that. I think this is so incredible. The quality of both of these is incredibly impressive. Because like I said, I was a little bit skeptical when I saw the price. This quality, look at that. It's so well stitched. It's so evenly stitched. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the colors. I love the style and the shape. I think this is so cute. So I'm really impressed. I think I want to do a lot more from them. Have you ordered anything from them before? Have you had any experience with this company? I would love to know all of your thoughts down below because I've had such a positive experience so far. Like I said, they did send this to me, but I have a feeling that I'm going to go back and buy a few more things because I think There's just so much on the website that I want. I'll put some pictures up of other things that I've been eyeing because there are so many. So if you are interested in trying any of these products out, definitely go ahead and check the links down below. I'll have links for these 2 bags, and then I will have the coupon code for you so you can go ahead and save yourself a little bit of money. I will probably be styling these over on my Instagram, so if you aren't already following me over there, I will have the link down below for you to do that. I am so incredibly impressed. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today, and thank you so much to LASNV for sending me these bags. I'm so incredibly happy to have them. I really look forward to seeing you in my next video, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!